Hey, health hustlers! Are you ready to transform your body and crush your goals in 2025? This is your year. If you're tired of quick fixes that don't last, stick with me, because today we're talking about real results. No gimmicks, just sustainable weight loss for the new you. Let's jump into the top tips to hit your goals, even when you're hustling hard. New year, new body, new mindset. 2025 is your time to shine. And we're not waiting for January 1st to start. Today is your day. Let's break it down. First things first, consistency is key. Create a morning routine that sets the tone for your day. Whether it's a quick 10-minute workout, a healthy smoothie, or just a moment to center yourself, start strong. A little bit every day adds up. Next up, don't just eat less, eat smarter. Include more fiber and protein to keep you fuller longer. Swap sugary snacks for high-protein options like Greek yogurt or almonds, and remember, portion control is everything. Finding time to exercise can be tough, but you don't need hours at the gym. Try these quick hustle hacks. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, or get in a quick 5-minute HIIT workout during your lunch break. Every bit counts. Don't underestimate the power of hydration and sleep. Drink water throughout the day to boost your metabolism and aim for 7-8 hours of sleep to let your body recover and recharge. So are you ready to make 2025 the year you finally crush your weight loss goals? Start small, stay consistent, and don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. Hit that subscribe button for more daily tips, tricks, and healthy recipes. You got this, hustlers. Let's make it happen. New body, new year, new you. This is your year to rise and shine. Let's hustle together and make 2025 our healthiest year yet.